In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add GIF in Framer. If you want a little motion to bring your page to life, a playful sticker, a looping illustration, or a subtle effect, this quick workflow will have you set up in minutes while keeping your site fast and clean. Start by opening Framer. Launch it in your browser or the desktop app and head into the project and page where you want the animation to appear. Make sure you're on the canvas you plan to edit, zoom to a comfortable level, and pick the frame or section that will hold the GIF so you can place it accurately. Next, open the Insert menu. You'll find it in the toolbar with a plus icon, and there's also a shortcut if you prefer using the keyboard. The Insert panel is where Framer keeps all the building blocks you can drop onto the canvas, layout primitives, interactive components, and the media elements we'll use here. Inside the Insert panel, choose Media. This category groups visual and time-based assets like images, videos, and animations. If your panel is crowded, use the search field at the top and type GIF to jump straight to it. Keeping things organized here makes it much easier to update assets later. Now select GIF. Click it to add a GIF element to your canvas. With it selected, look to the right side Properties panel to set the source. You can upload a file from your computer or paste a direct URL to a hosted GIF. For best performance, aim for an optimized file. Short loops, limited dimensions, and a reasonable file size are ideal. If the animation is hero-sized, consider compressing it before you upload. Use the resize handles to scale the element precisely and align it with your grid or guides. In the properties, set it to autoplay and loop so the motion feels continuous, and choose how it fits inside its box. Cover for edge-to-edge cropping, or contain to show the full frame. You can add a subtle corner radius to soften sharp edges and adjust opacity if the motion is meant to sit behind text. As a quick tip, give the layer a clear name and keep it in the right stack or section for responsive behavior. You can preview the page to confirm playback speed, contrast, and accessibility. If performance on mobile matters, test on a device and dial back size or complexity if needed. That's it, you've added a GIF in Framer and tuned it to look great and load quickly.